everyone, I'm Helen. In this video we're going to have a quick look at how to use the present perfect tense. We usually use the present perfect tense when we talk about some actions that happened to us in the past and these actions are finished, but we don't say when these actions happened. For example, I've been there many times. So this action happened to somebody, but they don't say when exactly it happened. I've never been there. It means I've never been there in my life. So this is your experience of your life, but you don't show when this experience happened to you. You can also say, I haven't ever been there, but I don't pretty much often hear this construction, I haven't ever been there, but it's also correct. You can say, I've never been there, or I haven't ever been there. Both options are okay. Again, don't forget please that you cannot ask, when have you been there? Because if you have the question word when, it means that you need to use the past simple, but not the present perfect. When you say, I've been there 2 years ago, it's also wrong, because if you say when it happened, you need to use the past simple. So you should say, when did you go there? And I was there 2 years ago. To recap again, case number 1, you use the present perfect to talk about an action that happened to somebody in the past, but you don't say when it happened, you show the experience of someone's life. Let's have a look at the second case. The second case when we can use this tense is to show some results in the present. Usually these results are closely connected to the present. For example, you are having lunch in a cafe and a waiter comes to you and tries to take your plates away, and you say, but I haven't finished yet. Or for example, you are in an office and you ask somebody, why isn't Kate working on the project? And someone says, she's already done it. Or you are looking for your friend and you come to somebody and you ask, have you seen him? In this case, we focus on results of some actions and we need to use the present perfect. Let's move on to the third case when we can use this tense. We also can use the present perfect when we talk about something that started in the past and continues up to the present. For example, we've lived here since our son was born. It means that since our son was born, we started to live here and we still live here. She's worked here for 10 years. It means that she started working here 10 years ago and she still works here. We've known each other since childhood. We normally use present perfect with state verbs such as live, work, or know, but if these verbs are action verbs such as learn or read, then we should use the present perfect continuous tense. So we should say, I've been learning English for 10 years, but not I've learned English. However, with the verbs live and work, both tenses would be okay. You can say, we've lived here since our son was born, or we've been living here. You can say, she's worked here for 10 years, or she's been working here. However, the verb know can be used only in the present perfect. You cannot say we've been knowing each other. So let's summarize what we've talked about today. Present perfect is used for actions that happened in the past but you don't say when they happened, to show the experience of someone's life. Case number 2 is when you want to show the result of your action, and this result is connected to the present. And case number 3 is when you show that the action started in the past and still continues up to the present, and you show the duration of this action for 10 years or since childhood or since 1997 and so on. So I hope that this short video will help you to get a better understanding of how to use the present perfect tense. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye bye.